Hey guys, so I did go ahead and use the Colourpop Truly Madly Deeply palette today. This is what I came up with. I just did kind of like a little halo spotlight eye, but this is what the inside looks like. I think it's really cute, and yeah, it's got all the shade names on the back too, which I really like. This is what I did today. My husband's laying down because he got off at 7 o'clock this morning. He does overnights at an in-home care house. So yeah, he sleeps till about 2 o'clock. Right now my daughter's in there laying down next to him watching Peppa Pig, so it gave me a minute to go ahead and get this cranked out for you guys. I'll go ahead and quit chit-chatting because I'm just rambling at this point, but if you want to go ahead and see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this short. I'm tired. I'm watching, what is it called? What We Do in the Shadows, and it's actually pretty funny. I have Sling, so I've got my phone pulled up, but it's on there. I can't remember the exact channel. I think it might be FX that it comes on. I'm not for sure, but it's pretty funny. So I would definitely check that out if you guys are bored and looking for new TV shows to watch. Anyways, for now I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.